What's up, growies? Today we're gonna make a vermicomposting bin inside of my flower bed. Let me show you step by step. So first things first, you're gonna need some sort of trash can, trash bin, little Tupperware type thing, something to put into the ground that you could make as a composter. All right, so now all we're gonna do is, I went ahead and just got the biggest drill bit I could find, and we're just gonna start drilling holes in this. All right. All right, so after we drilled all the holes, this is what it looks like. We're gonna have to clean off some of these shavings with this real quick. Okay, and here's the finished product. We got all the shavings off, and we're all good. All right, once we got all that done, we're gonna go ahead and dig our hole wherever we wanna place our compost bin in our flower bed, and we'll get to digging. We're gonna go ahead and leave the compost bin about an inch above the dirt. We're still gonna have to add a little bit more dirt to this flower bed, so I'm not worried about it. It may be sticking up just a little bit more than I want, but that's okay. We're gonna add more dirt. All right, now that we got this set, we're gonna go ahead and put some cardboard at the bottom for their bedding, for the worms' bedding, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it in little pieces. You don't want any pieces that have any tape on it or anything like that, any plastics. Let them do their thing when they're eating. All right, next what we're gonna try is we're gonna put just a light layer of this paper, shredded paper, just to give them a little extra oomph. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and water it pretty good, get it real moist. And then we add the worms. I haven't even opened these, so I don't know how they look. Oh, we got some in there. We got some Canadian night crawlers, and then we also have some live red worms. So I'm excited. Let's pour these in. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and cover them with a little bit of soil and some other stuff that I got. And then we're gonna put some food scraps. Just whatever you got. I don't have too much, so we're throwing in what we got, and I'll add more in as we go. So now next, I'm gonna go ahead and just water it a little bit more, just a little bit, and then throw a little bit more white up top. I also went ahead and added some grass clippings to the top, and then wet it one more time. As I said before, we're gonna add a little bit more dirt to this flower bed, so it will come up to about maybe right here, and other than that, we'll be perfect. There's about an inch right there, so we're set.